Washing the car.
He grabs the sponges and everything. It's hilarious.
Are you washing the car, little? What are you washing? Oh, you're gonna drink some water? Yeah, why don't you wash the car? Wash the car. Very good. Oh, such a good job. Clean it. Clean the car. Clean the car.
Daddy. Yeah, scrub the tires.
Max's. Wash the car, Maxie. Wash the car. Where's your sponge? There you go. Wash the car. You want to show Mommy how you wash the car? Let's see. He just wants to get wet. Good job.